A lot of people have been asking whether having the aura without headache also increases risk of stroke, like migraine with aura does. And unfortunately, the answer is yes. So having acephalgic migraines increases the risk just like migraine with aura does. Only 4% of migraines are acephalgic migraines. When people have an aura without an accompanying headache, we call that a silent migraine. The technical term for it is acephalgic migraine. Unlike the usual migraine with aura, they're not followed by an actual migraine. The mechanism for those is thought to be the same as aura and a migraine with aura. So basically a cortical spreading depression, which is a wave of electricity and changes that happens to the cortex when the aura is happening. They tend to be positive as opposed to negative symptoms, right? So that's a very important thing to keep in mind, is that usually with a TIA or a stroke, it's going to be negative symptoms, right? So like numbness or weakness or absence of vision in one part of the visual field. However, when it comes to acephalgic migraine, it's going to be often positive symptoms. So like pins and needles, tingling sensation, or visual changes like scintillating lights or flashing lights or zigzags in the visual field. It tends to be more gradual than TIAs or strokes, which are more abrupt. However, in a lot of cases, we still need to get an MRI and make sure that we're not dealing with a TIA or a stroke. Now, from a treatment standpoint, we borrow the same treatment options from migraine with aura. However, the one exception is usually triptans.